Hello everybody, it's Juliet here. Today we have an order from BB Craft, so we're going to take a look at that. And for those of you who don't know, BB Craft is a website that has all kinds of jewelry making supplies, beads, tools, thread, everything, findings, everything you could want really at really good prices. So we're going to take a look at some of the items from there. And this is how it comes. So it came in a puffy envelope. Yes, I will put links to everything here down below in the description. So just make sure that if you're interested in anything down there that you check that. Okay, then it also has another, everything comes really well wrapped. Okay, here's my little slip that tells me what's in here. Okay, so this first item here, this is a set of electroplated drops, glass drops, and it looks like you get a lot. So you get a whole bunch of different strands. So let me see how many are here. Looks like 1, 2. Okay, so there's 2 gorgeous kind of purpley bluish. Oh, these are not the same actually, I don't think. This one looks a little grayer to me than the other. Maybe they are the same. No, I think they are the same. So these are just little small drops, as you can see. Let me bring you in a little. Okay. But they're very pretty, picking up all the light. So this is 2 strands, I think, of the same color, actually. I think they are the same. So very pretty. And then we also get 2 strands of this nice golden kind of topaz, light topaz color. Also very pretty. And these don't have the rainbow effect, but they are still super sparkly. And I like that these are very small little drops, because sometimes on an earring or, you know, something, you might just want smaller drops, not big drops. Sorry, these are a little tangled here. Okay, then it looks like you get 2 strands of this pretty gray. Ooh, and this has a nice kind of greenish tone to it. I like that. That is really pretty. Can you guys see the green picking up? So you get 2 strands of that. And then we've also got 2 strands of this beautiful purple. And actually, I think the purple is the sparkle on it. It's actually more of a gray color underneath, but the purple is the sparkle. I love that. So pretty, kind of golden purple color. And then you get 2 strands of this darker topaz color. Again, really, really pretty. So you get 10 strands of drops in total, which is, I mean, are you ever gonna need that many drops? I guess you might, but yeah, that's a lot of drops. Okay. I'm gonna have to think of a good project with lots of drops. All right, let's see what's next. Let's try this one. Okay, so these are some gemstones, and I believe they are Amazonite, little 3mm. I think they're 3mm. Let me just check. Let's see. 1, 2, yeah, 3mm. And I think I have to cut this open to get it out. Okay, these are very, very nice actually. So there you go. They're all cut so they do pick up the light, and I like the variation in them. The reason I like gemstones is because, you know, they do have flaws and they just look a little more interesting with the color variations than regular glass beads do sometimes. Sometimes you just want a little something different. So these are really pretty. I'm pleased with those. Okay, let's see, what is this? Oh, this is some seed beads, I believe. So I ordered some Miyuki Delicas. They do have Miyuki Delicas there. And I just really liked this color. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna order some Delicas. So you just get a 10-gram tube. Yeah, that looks like 10-gram tube. So I got this kind of melon color, you know, kind of the color of the year, right? But they have all different, you know, colors of Miyuki. They don't necessarily have every color in stock, but you know, if you're ordering other stuff, it's a good, you know, if you're looking for something, it's a good place to check. And they also have the Miyuki seed beads. I believe they have Toho, and then they have some other like off-brand seed beads as well. So it's worth looking to see what they have. I just love this color. Looks like a pearl lined, maybe. Don't know. I do know what, I can look up what the number is, but anyway, so that's nice. Then here, oh, these are some cabochons that I ordered. Also the Amazonite, and that's beautiful. Look at that. And they're nice and flat-ish. That's the back. Very pretty. I believe these are 10 millimeter. Let me just check that. Yes, 10 millimeter. And, oop, just dropped it. Hang on. Okay. And, yeah, you get quite a few. Ooh, I love all the different color variations as well. Oh, these are so pretty, guys. So pretty. I mean, this was, again, I want to say under $10 for all of these actual gemstone cabochons, and they are really nice cut on them. Nice low profile. So we're not talking about like the chaton, you know, with the point back. These are much flatter. And let's see, that's 5. That's 10, 50. Yeah, you get 20 of these beautiful cabochons. So that's definitely worth looking into. And they have all different gemstone cabochons, different sizes, you know. You can go and look for yourself. And then this is some cherry quartz it's called. I knew it was a fruit. Cherry quartz beads. Oh, how beautiful are those? These are beautiful. So these are cherry quartz. I was looking for something kind of pinkish, peachish color to go with these. And I was looking at sunstone, and then I saw these, and I just thought these were so pretty. So I love, look at the nice cut on those. Isn't that, I mean, they're really lovely. So you get a strand of, let me see, 5, 10, looks like 13 beads on here. But I thought that would go with that really nicely. So we'll be making a project with this soon. And then these are some little gold bars. They're, well, brass, but you know, gold colored bars for, I think they're 25 millimeter. so 1 inch in other words, and I thought we could play with those. I have a couple ideas of what we could do, so I thought I would get these. So yeah, go and check out BBcraft. Like I said, I'll put links down below for everything, and if you go, then be sure to use my discount code, which is Jules10, JULES10, okay? And you can get 10% off your order with that discount code. So I'm very excited about all of this. I think we're going to be making something very pretty very soon with all of these items. So do check back on the channel and go and check out BBcraft, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.